Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I finally got it in the mail. The Dream Chapter Eternity by Tomorrow by Together, or TXT as I like to call it. So I'm just going to go over it and just open it up for you guys and show you what it contains. This one is the Starboard version. I decided to just get this one because it just looked appealing to me. I thought it looked beautiful, so I decided to just go with this version of it. The purple one is beautiful too, but I wanted this one. So I just wanted to show you guys what it comes with and just get to open it with you guys and to show you guys who I got as a little card. So as you can see here, it does come with a little locket, and this is what the back looks like. It tells you the songs. There's 6 songs on this album. And then this is the front. It just looks really nice. It's like a really hard cardboard type of material. And then here's a little locket for you. And then the back, it tells you what version it is right there. And yeah, so that's pretty much what it looks like. And then it does come with the 2 keys. So just 2 little keys. Let me go ahead and open these. If you get noises in the background, I have people in my house and, we're a little loud. Anyways, here we go. So you got 2 keys and you just unlock it. Also, don't pay attention to this table. It is a crafting table. But let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm just going to turn it this way so you guys can see it. It does come with a poster. And I'm going to move this to the side and show you what's on the poster. Looks like this is Hyun and Kai. This poster, by the way, is so nice. It's like a really thick material, but there you guys go. Those are the boys. So this is the version of them sleeping, or the nighttime version, as some may call it. So here we go. I'm trying to show this, but my lights are being a little weird. So that's that. Let's go ahead and take out everything that is hanging inside and show you that first. So it does come with a little postcard, which I'm sure you guys have seen it. I know some of the TXT members did an opening or an unboxing already, but I just wanted to show you what I got in mine. And yeah, just that in the little background. Nobody needs that one. At least I'm not trying to show you guys. So it looks like I got Bamgyu as the clear one, and he looks super handsome. By the way, he is my bias in TXT, so I'm really happy that I got him. And then for the second card, it is like a half card where you get 2 in 1, and this one I got Hyun and Kai. So what the back looks like. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you. The back is just transparent. It's a little plastic card. It's really cute, by the way. I'm gonna figure out where to put it because he's cute and he's my favorite. So yeah, we're just gonna speed on through and show you every little page that is on this little album booklet thingy. And yeah, I know some of you guys are gonna hate me by the way that I'm flipping the pages, but I was trying to do this so that you guys can see it. If you're not really interested, just click on off. And yeah, I'll meet you guys at the end of this video. Okay. Yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. This is Tomorrow by Together, the Dream Chapter Eternity. This is the Starboard version, and again, I just wanted to show you guys what's inside, kind of just like open it up with y'all and show you, you know, what I got, who I got, just because I thought it was fun, and I thought, you know, why not? This is a little locket, by the way. It's just a little simple, like, diary locket. I think it's really cute. This is by far the best TXT album in my personal opinion. Not, you know, music-wise, like I said before, it's a great step forward for them. But the actual packaging is beautiful. So I think it's my favorite packaging. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will totally come back with more reaction videos. Till next time, though. Bye.